Hey, good morning, guys. Happy day 25 of distance learning. Today is sports day. I've got my Kansas City Chiefs jersey on. I've got my Nats hat on that I bought for like on the third game I ever went to at the Nats Stadium. So even though I'm here in Missouri in our Missouri classroom, I'm still going to be rooting for those Nats and Caps and everything else. So today is sports day slash workout day. And what that means is you either wear your favorite sports gear, so that's why I have my jersey and my hat on, or you can also, if you do not have a favorite sports team or if you're like sports really aren't my thing, then you can just take today to work out and show some school spirit that way by working out and staying healthy and everything else. So let's get started with everything. Today is the 142nd day of school. So 142nd day of school. Isla, Isla, and I know Isla's a big watcher of this. So Isla, what is one more than 142? What is one more than 142? And Isla, with her excited voice, probably said 143. Before I forget, April 2nd from yesterday was 26 days. 26 days ago. So April 2nd was 26 days ago from yesterday. And, oh man, oh boy. Sorry, technical difficulties. The red stick goes up there. Okay, now one less than 142 is Charlotte. What is one less than 142, Charlotte? 141. Charlotte, if you said that, or anybody else who's guessing along with Charlotte, good job. Pat yourself on the back. If you got a different answer, still pat yourself on the back and try to figure out, where did I make my mistake? How can I switch up my thinking? 10 more than 142. Adley. That says a B. Adley. 10 more than 142. So 10 more than 142 is 152. And Valentina. Valentina, what is 10 less than 142? So focusing on that tens place. My fingers aren't working this morning. 10 less than 142 is 132. All right, so in our classroom, or in our DC classroom, it's saying that there's not a whole lot of clouds. Let's see what it says officially. What is it right now? It says it's fair. You know what? I'm putting sunny because I hope that it is sunny there. If it's not, you let me know, but I hope it's sunny. And this way, sunny days and cloudy days are tied again. So fair can mean kind of cloudy, kind of sunny. It can be a little bit of both, like it can go in and out of that. So, yeah, I hope it's sunny there. Today is Wednesday, April 29th. Yesterday was Wednesday, April 28th. And tomorrow is the last day of April, April 30th, Thursday. Our question today. If today's the 29th and tomorrow is the last day of April, how many days until May 7th? So if today is the 29th and tomorrow's the last day of April, how many days until May 7th? It's a tough one because you can't really see it on the calendar here, but some of you might be able to get that, or all of you. I don't know. All right, weather this week. Wednesday, April 29th. It's going to be partly cloudy today, so it's saying that it's going to be pretty cloudy today, but hopefully no rain. There's not a whole lot of rain. Tomorrow, it's going to rain. No matter what, it is going to rain. At what time? Let's see here. It's probably going to start at about 9 and go until 3 or 4. So it's going to rain pretty much all day tomorrow, but that's okay because we had rain all day yesterday. Friday, it's saying showers again, but not near as big of a chance. Saturday, mostly sunny, no rain in the forecast, and 71 degrees. So Saturday, as long as it's not too rainy out or too wet out, I think it's going to be perfect. And then looking into next week, it's going to be rain, sun, rain, sun, rain. So there's still a bunch of rain in the forecast, but that's okay. Our history of today. Today, right now, it's feeling like 56. Usually it's about around 71 for a high today. And then the record high that it's been on this day is 92, and the record low is 34. Our Missouri classroom. Today is very windy. We had a big storm last night while we were sleeping, so it was really windy and rainy, and then it was also rainy pretty much all afternoon. Tomorrow, Friday, and Saturday are going to be sunny and cloudy a little bit, and then Sunday we're going to get a big rainstorm, and next week, sun, rain, sun, rain, sun. So next week, both our DC and Missouri classroom are going to be pretty much the same weather. The forecasted high today is 75, so we're supposed to be getting warm. I think on Saturday it said here in Missouri it might get up to 81, so it could be, I think it's going to be a little bit warmer here. The average is about 70, so we're going to be a little above average, but the record high is 91 and the record low is 31. Quote today: "The beautiful thing about learning is that no one can take it away from you." People can add to your learning. People can add to the stuff that you know and how much knowledge you have, but nobody can take away your learning. And that's why I choose to go into every little lesson and everything that I do with an open mind and a growth mindset, because you're never going to be done learning. People in the world right now that are 101 are still learning things each day. And so going through life, understanding that we are going to continue to learn, that we are never going to be done learning, is going to be an amazing mindset to have. Because if you walk into 3rd grade next year and say, you know what, I already know everything, you're going to have a tough year. If you walk in and say, okay, I have a lot of stuff that I know, but I can't wait to see what we're going to learn this year, then that's an even better mindset to have. Our schedule today: Module 7, Lesson 6. You guys have been doing such a great job with keeping up with your Zern that I didn't even really need to switch it. Most of you are working ahead, maybe doing 2 lessons, which is wonderful. Really, really good. We're going to start looking at, I believe it's today. If it's not today, it's tomorrow. You're going to start looking at coins and what the different face value for coins is, and how each coin is worth something. If you've been doing Tangy Tuesday, then you already have a head start because they introduced coins a little while back. There is a game on here. Your extension is kind of like a math game, and you're slicing odd and even numbers. So that's one of the extensions. Today's reading is really is going to be focused on finishing your chapter book reading. So I posted that on our team site, and parents, I also sent that to you. So that is, you guys have the chapters that you're going to read. I'm going to meet with 3 groups tomorrow and 2 groups on Friday. So I'll send that list out tomorrow. Those 3 groups will be in the afternoon, since on Thursdays we don't have a Zoom call. I will meet with 3 groups in the afternoon for about 20 minutes or so, maybe 30 minutes. I'm just going to have some questions and ready to go, and I just want to basically hear what you guys think of the book so far and what surprised you. I mean, book clubs are all about just conversation. We're talking about the book. I'll have some questions for us just to keep the conversation going. Journal writing today, and I'd really like everybody to try this out because I think it'll be a fun writing prompt that I came up for you guys. But write a story about an adventure you would take if you were shrunk down to the size of a flower. One of my favorite movies from when I was growing up was Honey, I Shrunk the Kids, and it's this dad who is a scientist or an inventor, creates this shrinking machine, and he shrinks the kids down to the size of like a little tiny person. And so write an adventure about how you were, what would you do if you were shrunk down to the size of a flower, and then be sure to include 3 verbs or action words into your writing. So make sure that you have words like jumped, ran, saw, kicked, flew, just action words. Make sure you have 3 of those in your writing today. And don't forget periods. Even though I'm not checking your work, don't forget the periods. Science. I have a link on our Distance Learning 6. You can find it in your Files tab under Week 6 materials. You'll need to either print out the map of the United States, or if you have one at home, you can use that as well. But I'd really like us all to try to use this one. If you cannot print it, then maybe you can use your computer screen, but you have to be careful because we're going to be using a penny for the quiz today. So I'll put that quiz in your assignments tab. The plan says files, but I'm going to put assignment, and I'll let you guys know about that here in a little bit. And then we have a Zoom call at 2. So today is Math Story or Word Problem Wednesday. And so we will all come together for a Word Problem Wednesday. And that's it. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I hope to talk to some of you this morning. And then I will hopefully see everybody this afternoon. Happy Sports Day, happy Wednesday, and happy 25th day of distance learning. Bye, guys.